What's going on, people? I hope you all enjoyed that little short film that I made, and if it's a little loud out here, I apologize. They're doing new home construction, as you can see, but pretty much in that video, that was my wife. I really just picked up the camera. That was last week I recorded that. It started off me just testing out my new stabilizer that I just bought. I just bought the Glidecam HD 2000, and those shots in the house when she was typing on the computer, I was pretty much just testing it out, trying to balance it, and I just thought to my head, like, let me just follow her through her day and make a video about my wife, because that's what dope husbands do, you know what I'm saying? But started out as a joke, but then I got kind of serious with it or whatever. Let me know in the comments below how you felt about it. So as far as the gear I used for that video, really basic stuff, man. My T7i, which I'm recording on now. I had the kit lens, which I actually just took to the post office and sold because I really have no need for it no more, man. It's time to step these lenses up, you know what I'm saying, as far as quality. So use the kit lens for that first part of her typing on the computer, and everything else was pretty much done with my 24mm. That's what I used when we were in the laundromat. I also threw the 10 to 18 on there real briefly, and my 50mm. That was pretty much it as far as the gear. So if you're one of my YouTube subscribers and you saw this video come up, once you realized it was from me, you probably realized by now that I changed my YouTube name. I went ahead and just dropped the Fitness Wiz and went ahead and went with my real first and last name. So if you didn't know, my name is Marboo, but I still go by Wiz, you know what I'm saying? That's a real nickname of mine, so I'm still gonna be, you know, referring to myself as Wiz, but just went ahead and dropped the Fitness Wiz. I feel like for my YouTube channel, you know, of course it was really just centered all around fitness with little tidbits of camera videos here and there. I felt like the Fitness Wiz was something that may catch people's eye. You know, I was really only planning on making just only fitness content initially, so I just wanted something that was recognizable, trying to build a brand, you know, blah 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 niche, whatever they call it. But I really have been leaning more towards the side of photography, videography, which I'm always going to be about fitness. I'm still going to be making fitness videos, fitness related videos. However, I've been finding myself, you know, more intrigued with cameras, camera gear. I've been diving more deep into my side hustle, videography, photography. So I just decided that I wanted to just incorporate, you know, some of that into my content along with fitness, and just, I don't want people to just think I'm all about fitness. And I think too, as far as Instagram is concerned, if you look at my videos, you can follow me now. I changed my Instagram name as well, you know, at Marboo Jr. I feel like sometimes when I post my fitness videos, if I'm not, you know, just doing a set, some of my videos I put a lot into, and I think that probably confused people to where they probably think that I was like either trying to show off because I'm showing different angles, I'm doing that, but that's just me being just so into the, you know, making a video, that I think that may have thrown some people off. But I don't care. I'm just stating the facts that yeah, pretty much moving forward, this channel is going to be about fitness, bodybuilding, you know, especially, but also too about cameras, about just gear, making videos, how I make videos, how I get shots, you know, what I do. I'm gonna throw some of my videography, you know, and photography jobs into the mix, just talking about what I really do. You know, I can only give but so much advice that others have already gave about how to do the best workout and how to build your biceps. All that stuff is cool, and don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna be making fitness content, but you know, I want to just make content that I'm proud to make content that I'm really into, and just share what I'm really doing. So started by changing my name, and yeah, man, I'm gonna keep that content pumping out. So if this is your first time seeing one of my videos and my direction sounds intriguing to you, make sure you hit that red subscribe button to follow your boy on a journey. And if you did like that video edit I made with my wife and my son, go ahead and give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. And until my next piece of content drops on the tube, I'm gonna catch you guys later on. Peace out, baby.